In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete Telegram account permanently. Deleting your Telegram account is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up any web browser you like and type in my.telegram.org. After that, tap here and enter your phone number in international format. Tap Next. Now you'll get a confirmation code to your Telegram. So exit the web browser, open up the Telegram app, and find and copy that code. Once you've copied the code, return to the account deletion page. And then tap here and paste in that code. Tap on the Sign In button. Then tap Delete Account. And then scroll down to the bottom. Now you can tap here and type in why you are leaving Telegram, or you can simply tap on the Delete My Account button. Now you'll get this pop-up. Are you sure? Warning. Please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. Simply tap Yes, delete my account. Now you've successfully deleted your Telegram account permanently. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.